Hello friends, here I tell you about how can you make an your instance or some kind of that your server by using Lightsail. Or now first of all you need a AWS account. Okay, so we make it for by using AWS web services. So you can see here a Lightsail. Okay, so let's let you a new website of the Lightsail. Okay, save this one. Okay, now here and here we able to creating an instance. Okay, so click on the create instance just like that. Need here we make in North Virginia region. Okay, and if you want to make in another region, so you need to select it from there first, then after visit the Lightsail website. Okay, you can see there are lots of uh, now our location is Mumbai zone. So if you want to change, so you can change from here, and if you want to change, then you can make your instance from there just like that. So now we want to make a instance. You can make the, and you can see the technologies and various technologies like Nginx and Redmine, Magneto, and Node and Drupal and Joomla, everything just like you can see here. So if you want to start with WordPress, so okay, you can make, or otherwise you want to make any Linux instance just like that, so you can make there. Okay, so this one A for your OS, and if you want to only OS, you can directly make an instance just like that. You can see it just like Ubuntu and every Amazon Linux and everything. It's your choice what type of you choose. Or if you want to make an Windows, then you can also choose from here. So I want to make a uh, WordPress. So now start. So now after that doing everything, uh, you can see the optional part. Here's the pricing. This was for free for 1 month, and if you want to make an instance for simple purposes like only developing blogs like that, so you can choose this one, and very low or efficient amount here is $350 per month. And if you want more, then just like you get the memory 1 GB, and you get storage 40 GB SSD for $5. Okay, so you can see there just like that. We want to just select this one because this was free for 1 month, so for testing purpose, but your choice what type you instance just select. Okay, so automatic selected. Now you need to create. Now you can see there. Okay, now your service is ready to go. It's take time some. Okay, now your instance is ready to go, and you can visit this instance here. Okay, now here the option just like stop, reboot, everything just like you can see here, and your IP is also, and private IP also, so you can just see there. And the simple and easy step for making an instance. And after all, okay, you want to connect your browse just like your instance with SSH, so you can directly connect with SSH. Okay, and username you need to use Bitnami, and key pair you can get from here. Account page. Okay, so you can need to account page. Now after doing all things just like that, you can see here like account page, customer server account page, and everything here. Okay, so Lightsail is easy and better for your running, and you can see just like that this IP is working or not. Okay, you can see there. What is the IP? This one, just like, and yes, it's ready to go, and you can see there it's working and perfectly run. And you need to doing anything here, just like you can see everything, or if you want to reboot or stop this instance, you can also stop. And I'm just want to see actually it's created or not in the Mumbai region. So you need to visit in Mumbai region if you want to create an instance. Okay, it means is creating in other way. Okay, so okay, now it's running on Amazon Lightsail, and you created an instance and hosting on Amazon Lightsail. So now you want to sign out, so you can sign out. And now you want to stop and everything, just like that you can see here. And just like if I want to stop, then I can stop this one, just like that. So your server now is stopped. And okay, now you can delete your from there. You can delete this instance permanently from your store if you want, just like that. You can delete this one. Okay, so you have no instance here, and just like that. Okay, so everything on a various platform and various and different websites, and so you can directly direct to a Lightsail or Amazon website. So easy, and you can make it, and run your make your own start. And thanks for watching. And if you want to learn more about Lightsails, you can follow the website, otherwise your choice. And thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Goodbye.